I used to get those Raghav moments earlier also. It just blew up. I really don't understand what's wrong with people.
And the way she entered, but that only I do. ये पक्का pageant से.
That's the first thing she told me when she met me
Ah,
actually.
please, I did not.
I won a
Imran?
beauty pageant.
I did not.
I was like,
Wow.
alright. I was like,
Sharat, I have to start off by saying कि आजकल बड़ा चौधरी बने फिर रहे थे.
लोग believe नहीं करते थे कि I'm a Maharashtrian. They said कि ये चौधरी है भाई ये जाट आदमी है कहीं से आया.
Now let's just take a moment for the Uttaran fans. What do you want to tell them?
That was long back.
He met his inspiration there.
I met him there. I'm glad that I was a part of TV at one point of time. That was about, what, 13 years back. People still remember those characters. So I'm grateful for that.
What have you ever tried to smuggle anywhere in the world?
I know what she's trying to smuggle in.
हम भी खड़े रहते हैं यार लाइनों में, हम भी करते हैं सिक्योरिटी. आप लोग कहाँ
मैंने
करते
नहीं
हो?
देखा है. I didn't see him. We used to travel together. आप कहाँ से जाते
कहाँ से जाते
हमारा
हो?
एक्चुअली एक दूसरा रूट है जहाँ पे
बताओ
हम
ना
स्कैन
थोड़ा.
नहीं करते हैं बैग्स एंड वी
आखा बॉलीवुड एक तरफ, इमरान हाशमी एक तरफ. Let's just start with that, man. Let's just start with that. And you're sitting also like that.
like that. What stance is that? I don't know.
एक
Facing
तरफ,
back.
एक तरफ.
तरफ.
हाँ जी. So we're gonna get straight into it. Taskari is the title. It's a Neeraj Pandey series. I saw the first 2 episodes and it's delicious. Imran, Zoya, Sharat and Nandish. Welcome to Just Too Filmy, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rohini.
Not sober anymore, right?
Yeah.
Huh? Now I'm
Your
on
intro was like,
action
huh?
mode, है ना? I can't start with anything else, but like, what a time to be Imran Hashmi. Are people looking at you differently? Are people coming too close to you for comfort? Do people want to sing to you? क्या चल क्या रहा है? Like,
I used to get those Raghav moments earlier also. But yeah, it's just another, I guess, it just blew up. I really don't understand what's wrong with people.
what's wrong with people?
How that became viral, but I was not expecting it. The makers were expecting it, but I just went in for 2 days of work.
Yeah.
Shot for 2 days and it released, and then it just is. I've been hearing that since the past like 5 months since that show released.
And you are very aware that suddenly you replaced Radhika Apte as Netflix's Lucky Charm, right?
Oh my God! No. I have no idea.
No, there was Bads of Bollywood. Haq is just dropped on Netflix.
Yeah, it is.
Mubarak ho.
Yeah.
And that's such a wonderful film.
Yeah.
I think lots of people are discovering it right now. And now you have Taskari. So it's great to just, have you on the show, Imran. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I want to take it to the rest of you and ask you, so let's start with that. When you know that, what is your memory of an Imran Hashmi movie first?
His songs.
Okay.
You cannot get them out of your mind.
Okay.
And they live in your head forever.
Yeah.
And also, मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि he is such a charming personality, on screen, off screen. So I was a little nervous before like coming on set, but I kind of played it cool.
Was she
Thought
cool?
about played it cool.
Very cool.
Okay, she's cool. Okay.
A little nervous
Yeah,
I was,
yeah.
but I have to tell you, my experience, working with him has been so good. He's made me feel at at home, and at he's given me utmost comfort as a co-actor, as a friend. I mean, I had a great time working with him, and he's such a big star. You have you have some notions before you come on set.
Bilkul.
But no, I mean, I know I'm saying it in front of you, but he's so grounded.
What
yeah.
questions I'm trying? What?
Listen, you did a film called Ground Zero also.
You
Ground
can
Zero.
name the
That's a
film.
joke.
You like Ground Zero.
No, but yeah, I am ground zero.
So grounded. I felt like I was really at ease. So.
That's amazing. Do your co-stars know that you were a beauty pageant winner, or did they have to guess?
I knew about
No,
it.
no.
I knew.
You guys knew about it?
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay, what's
You
my
guys-
title?
That was the first
Okay,
thing
let me
she told me.
question.
Title we don't remember, yeah, but yeah, I know.
Yes.
That's the first thing she told me when she met me
Ah,
actually.
please, I did not.
I won a
Imran?
beauty pageant.
I did not.
I was like,
Wow,
alright.
okay.
I was like, that's nice.
So I'll tell you the.
What's my title? Achha, if I told you what's my title.
It was very late in the
Yeah,
night. Okay, I
okay,
shot
okay,
it at
okay,
2 in the
okay.
morning. My first day was 2 in the morning. We shot that night scene.
So इनको पता नहीं है.
But I
No,
knew
no,
I
what's my
knew
title?
it.
Honestly,
honestly,
सबने हाँ बोला है, मैं जानना चाहती हूँ,
title
क्या
को नहीं
title
पता,
है?
लेकिन I'll tell you, you're doing a scene, first scene between me and her, and the way she entered. But that only I do. ये पक्का pageant से ही है.
अरे क्या बात है. But tell us
Tak
the
tak
title.
tak tak she came and I said, ये क्या है?
My title is Miss India International 2022.
बिल्कुल. But do
अभी
they
अभी
know?
बनी है.
But do they know? आपके जो उससे भी पहले वाली जो I wouldn't say करतूत because that's not a great word. But
करतूत.
कामयाबियां हैं.
हाँ.
क्या आपके co-stars वाकिफ हैं कि एक फिल्म है जहाँ पर आप नीलम जी के साथ एक रिश्ते में थी और इनको अगर पता नहीं है तो आज पता
राधिका
होना
नाम था
चाहिए.
तुम्हारा.
No, there was one
Wow.
with,
राधिका नाम था.
वाह,
with
वाह.
गाना
Karishma
भी
also,
ऊपर.
Karishma Kapoor.
Yeah.
Which one was that?
This
What
was हम
movie?
साथ
हम
साथ.
साथ में गाना है.
I
What
mean,
was your age then? We were like.
I started when I was 3, so I was
Wow.
so और वो पिक्चर एक्चुअली काफी एक साल तक तो चली तो मैं 3 और 4 साल की थी when I started.
Love it. I'm just here to get you guys to know each other. This is great.
Guys, नहीं he also knew.
Sharat, I have to start off by saying this in the most sweet way possible कि आजकल बड़ा चौधरी बने फिर रहा है तू. What a name, what a character. Let me just start with that. क्या नाम है boss?
But I'll tell you, when I came to Mumbai, being a Maharashtrian from MP, when I came to Mumbai, लोग बिलीव नहीं करते थे कि I'm a Maharashtrian. They said कि ये चौधरी है भाई, ये जाट आदमी है कहीं से आया. Because of voice, height, health, personality, I think they thought I am a Jat or a Jat or a Punjabi. But so finally, I'm playing a Chaudhary now.
Yeah,
A real
I
Chaudhary.
think there is so much in names of or I would say antagonists. You've got Shakal and you've got Mogambo and then you've got Bada Chaudhary. So talk to me
That's what
about.
I've been lucky. Like I've heard of Bhairo Singh. ऐसे ऐसे नाम रखे मैंने. Bhairo
वाह.
Singh, Chaudhary.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
मतलब अजीब से थोड़े से नाम थे. But I had fun doing it. वो compliment करते हैं character को तो I think
Yeah.
that's a beauty.
Yeah, so with him it's him himself, and then with her it's like pageant se aayi hai. With you it's like आवाज. Are people still not over your voice, Sharat?
I don't know. मतलब I don't know about.
Oh, you don't take this. You have to take this.
The voice comes
दमदार
first.
आवाज है, बहुत ही दमदार. And अगर आप उनकी आवाज सुनते हैं आप, it's the kind of voice you cannot ignore.
That's true.
You cannot.
Absolutely. Yeah. We should do something together.
Yeah.
I
Last
think
time
both
also
of-
we spoke.
Yeah,
about
we
it,
said we
yeah.
keep saying this.
Budget का issue है थोड़ा.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm
I can pay
very
you that much,
pricey.
yeah, what you
That's
charge.
my price. Thank you. Nandish, I must acknowledge that you've had such a great run. Okay, so many people who are fans of yours.
Thank you.
Let's just take a moment for the Uttaran fans. What do you want to tell them? Let's start with that.
That was long back.
He met his inspiration there.
No, but I know. For
I
a
met
fact-
him there.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, we were
He,
together.
he,
in
he saw
Uttarakhand
my
for a
journey. I
while.
said, कि let me also try and do.
नहीं, but ये जर्नी
different.
जो है इसी को लेकर फैंस इतने एक्साइटेड हैं. I saw so many people under that trailer, on YouTube, say that they were fans of you since then. And what does that mean to you?
I think that's what TV does to somebody because people get attached to those characters.
Yeah.
Like I always say that when you're doing television, people it's more about getting attached to the characters. When you're working in different mediums like OTT, like web shows and films, people get more attached to the storyline, what the plot is. So yes, that's what TV has done, and I'm glad that I was a part of TV at one point of time. That was about 13 years back.
Yeah. Of
And
course.
people still remember those characters, so I'm grateful for that.
Mubarak ho. It's so lovely to see you in Taskari as well. I do want to tell you that as actors in a Neeraj Pandey world, what often happens is you are probably shooting your scenes. आपको अपना जो वक्त है वो बताना पड़ता है. लेकिन जब आप actually ये show देखोगे, I don't know if you already watched it. Have you? No, right? But when you do, you will realize that there is so much more in the Neeraj Pandey universe, which might not even have y'all. So how does that go really? Like how did you, because this is your first time working with him.
The first time.
तो ये process अलग कैसा रहा है आपके लिए?
I think as a director, he is so meticulous and so clear about what he wants. And yeah, there's so much going on in his show,
Yes.
and I saw that on paper
Yes.
when I read the show. When I read the first 4 episodes were sent to me before I signed it, and I was like, I loved it
Yeah.
because the different characters, there's these different worlds internationally, what's happening there, how they get the stuff down. It's very, very interesting and very intriguing. And I think that's what makes the show. And I said this yesterday, I think for a thriller format, the audiences who watch a thriller format are so smart.
Yeah.
They really know, they are ahead of the curve. They really know what's going to happen next. So
Correct.
you have to be able to kind of surprise them with cliffhanger moments and interesting character beats. And I think that's what
He's very
Neeraj
good at.
gets so well.
Yeah,
and
absolutely.
even I was reading the script, I was like, okay, I probably knew how to arc this character somewhere down the line, but he catches you by surprise. He
Yeah.
takes it somewhere else. So I think
It's
that's
really
the
exciting.
good thing about
Just
it.
2 episodes in and I'm hooked. And also that first episode is a banger, guys. Like it's, as I said, it's not just what you guys are bringing to the table. It's also what's happening. Like
The setup for the entire,
the
for everyone
setup,
coming
yes.
in. Yeah, yeah.
And also, I think it's a good time to talk about you and airports. I think everyone might have explored this with you, but I really have to ask you, मैंने आज तक किसी सेलिब्रिटी को एयरपोर्ट के अंदर क्यों नहीं देखा है? इमरान, आप मुझे बताइए.
एयरपोर्ट के अंदर क्यों
हाँ,
नहीं देखा?
मतलब हम भी खड़े रहते हैं यार लाइनों में, हम भी करते हैं सिक्योरिटी. आप लोग कहाँ
मैंने
करते
नहीं
हो?
देखा है. I didn't see him. We used to travel together. आप कहाँ से जाते
कहाँ से जाते
हमारा
हो?
एक्चुअली एक दूसरा रूट है जहाँ पे
बताओ
हम
ना
स्कैन
थोड़ा।
नहीं करते हैं बैग्स एंड वी स्मगल स्टफ इन एंड आउट ऑफ दिस कंट्री. So that is
We're gonna cut this
that's
out. guys.
that's
We're
it's
gonna
okay. You
take
can
that
keep it.
again.
It's fine.
No, they won't keep. This is Netflix.
The airport officials will know about it.
But
But do you
please-
know about this? That
Tell
you
us.
know you have these PAP channels, these PAP pages.
Yes.
Very early on, there are a lot of people who used to get PAP'd, who
Hmm.
used to go with trolley bags and used to not board flights. They used to only do it to get clicked outside the airport.
Correct. That's right.
They
what
used
did
to
they
take a empty bag, get clicked by the PAPs, turn around, take a U-turn, get back in the car and go back into the city.
Yes.
Oh my
So you
god.
tell-
And this
लेते
was
हुए किसी ने photo
just
नहीं
this was just to get PAP'd at the airport.
That
Did
is
you know that?
amazing. I did not
Yeah,
know that.
yeah,
and
that's
this
a
is
very
not
common
even
thing.
and this is not even in the airport.
That's
so
not in the airport.
That's why you would not find them inside the
Yeah,
airport.
you won't find them in the airport.
अच्छा, that's why you don't find them because they never enter.
हाँ,
Never
but आप
enters
लोग
at the
मेरी बात
airport.
समझ रहे हैं ना कि मैंने क्यों नहीं देखा है यार. मुझे
मुझे
भी
भी नहीं
देखना
पता.
है.
मैंने हम साथ में डेस्टिनेशन जाते थे. हम पूरी शूट we've reached the same destination.
I'm
क्योंकि
not sure
हमारे
outside. You all have shot all the scenes outside. Lake Como and I don't know where all
Como
you
तो
shot.
मैंने-
They were
ये तो-
stuck
मैंने
over
इन्हें
here,
नहीं देखा,
custom
आप कहाँ से
officers.
जाते
बैंकॉक मैं सब जगह गया हूँ.
ना?
आप सिर्फ बैंकॉक आएंगे भाई, कहीं नहीं गए आप बस करो. मैं सब जगह घूम
He's
के आया.
traveled the
No,
world
I've-
for this show.
Yeah,
8
we've
cities.
done 2-3
She's
We've got
traveled 4
Thailand.
cities, and we were stuck in Bombay shooting on our
अच्छा,
airport
इसी
over
आपको
here.
देखा।
I had a, I think it was a 2-hour shoot. We went to Bahrain. That was like this.
Imagine he
That was-
came, he and he went back. I said,
I was
"Come
like,
back, come
Bahrain.
back."
Andar, I just entered the airport and I left the very
oh my
next
god.
hour.
They were like
from
बाहर
there.
in.
Yeah.
जल्दी से.
हमने तो एयरपोर्ट भी नहीं छोड़ा. कभी कभी ना हमारी कॉल टाइम्स इस शूट के दौरान तस्करी के लिए हमारे हम बिकॉज हम एयरपोर्ट पे शूट कर रहे थे. मेरा कॉल टाइम होता था once you land. That is my call time.
Wow.
Yeah, I remember
Once you land, that's
she
your
came
call time.
directly to the airport.
Literally land at the airport. वहीं पर हमने सीन
What
किया
is
और
it
वहीं
like
से
though?
वापस तो हम एयरपोर्ट के बाहर भी नहीं निकले.
मुझे बताओ, what is it like to shoot at the airport? What is the protocol
Oh,
like?
it's
It
it's
was
quite cool.
crazy.
It's cool, right?
Crazy,
It
it's
was
crazy.
crazy,
It's crazy.
crazy.
Tell me
crazy.
something.
So many protocols to follow.
Like
हाँ,
we were
जैसे
shooting
कि-
at the Delhi airport, and it was like all these flights, international, domestic, all the passengers were coming there, and they were blending in with our junior artists.
Yeah.
And it was so nice to see because they were not, and they were told, there was on the mic, people were told not to look in the camera, and we've got a lot. So there are a lot of real world shots at
Wow.
locations, and it's so well put up in the show because essentially the big part of the show is at airports.
Yeah,
And
of course.
I think this is the first show where they've kind of gotten to airports and shot it this way.
That's very
seamlessly
cool.
and got some good material.
That's
out.
very
Yeah, I
We
cool.
remember
shot at, I
something-
think in India also we shot at Bahrain airport, we shot at Milan airport,
Delhi.
Delhi
Delhi
airport,
something
Goa
got
airport.
leaked also because I remember we were shooting और हमने because एक area ऐसे secluded
Yeah.
थोड़ा था और हमारा look तब तक out हुआ नहीं था. बट वो हमारा जो क्रू था प्लस जो नॉर्मल पब्लिक वो बिल्कुल मिल गए थे आपस में. तो उस दिन काफी कुछ हमारी पिक्चर्स बाहर भी चली गई थी.
आई थिंक सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग वो था एक दिन जहाँ पे मैंने नागपुर में शूट किया था. एक आई थिंक वाज अ प्लेन मेंटेनेंस यार्ड.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. We had
वहाँ
18
पे आई
aircrafts.
थिंक कुछ नहीं, there were some 50 jets in a line, Indigo, different planes, and I had to drive a car below all the.
Oh my God.
I think trailer
They
में
were
shot
sweating
है वो.
because I was like, if this guy doesn't know how to drive and he smashes on all the aircrafts, that's it. That's
But he's
probably
a
100
damn
crores.
good driver. I can vouch for that.
Yeah?
Because I've sat in his car throughout the show when he's driving and manual driving.
Oh,
And
wow.
plus doing the
He's
scene
damn-
alongside.
He's damn good at it.
80 skid manual driving. You learned on that.
Yeah, you learned on that.
Yeah,
That's
I
why
learned
we
that.
know. I mean, our generation.
Yeah,
learned on that,
generation.
है ना?
हमारा
है ना? आजकल का
Same,
पता नहीं.
same generation.
Same generation. Okay,
ये भी
that's
आप ही का जमाना चल
Yeah,
रहा है.
that's true.
Actually,
ज़माना
that's
तो आपका
true.
ही है.
ये जो nostalgia और इस वक्त का जो hype चल रहा है life में, it's crazy. You're living in like a crazy cosmos right now, Imran Hashmi. I love it. I want to ask you, what is the height of your taskari?
What do you mean?
What have you ever tried to smuggle,
smuggle.
anywhere in the world?
I know what she's trying to smuggle in. She just spoke about it.
What did you?
I think 100 kilos of gold.
It was fake jewelry,
Fake jewelry.
not gold.
So she says.
Fake
So
jewelry.
she says.
By
Fake.
100
You
kilos?
can check. Not 100 kilos, he's just exaggerating.
By the way, that's real. She made me
How would you
hold
know?
it. It was really. You made me hold it right now. It's really heavy. Yeah.
But if there's something that you'd really like to take across, you know, somewhere, what would you like to take across?
Nothing, please. I like no. मैं बिल्कुल सीधे सीधे बस अपने destination तक पहुंचना
But do you
चाहती
get,
हूँ और
do
अपना
you get
काम करना
afraid?
चाहती हूँ.
Like, I'll tell you, the human tendency is that मेरी बैग पे X लिख के आता है ना तो मेरी फट जाती है.
मेरी तो ऐसे ही फट जाती
है
है.
ना?
मेरे मैं कुछ ना भी कैरी करूँ मेरी फट जाती है. तो
Exactly.
मैं बिल्कुल ही wrong person
हाँ,
हूँ.
और फिर अपना बैग ही वो बोलते हैं X है, you know, they say put your bag on the scanner.
Yeah.
And then you know there's nothing.
Still you are scared.
But वो एक अच्छी चीज होती है because that
You get
fear,
scared?
fear
Yeah.
psychology. Something I
Why
spoke
not?
With
about
that voice
yesterday
also?
जब आप
Yeah.
गाड़ी चलाना सीखते हैं
बिल्कुल.
तो आप भले ही गाड़ी ठीक तरह चला रहे हैं but you'll
बिल्कुल.
always get you know अब से you see an RTO officer और आपके
Yeah.
दिल में हमेशा वो खौफ रहता है वो एयरपोर्ट भी वैसी चीज होती है.
बिल्कुल.
You could have carried just a bag full of clothes, but there's always that fear. अच्छा immigration वाले रोक देंगे या कोई customer वाला
क्या
रोक
होगा?
देगा मेरे ज़्यादा कपड़े तो नहीं लेके आए यहाँ. But that's important for just to keep a check
Correct.
on everyone in a sense.
Correct. How do they treat celebrities at airports when customs?
They've been very sweet with me.
They're very,
I've never
very, very
had
sweet.
I've
very,
never
very
had
sweet.
a
Yeah,
bad
okay.
experience with
Even
the
I've never
customs
had a
office.
bad
Because I've never really carried contraband back.
He's amazing. I'm going to take this
They want
interview.
to smuggle. Like the one thing which I feel it's very expensive in India.
हाँ,
A lot of duty on it. I think cars.
पूरी
How
गाड़ी
will you
ले
smuggle
आएंगे.
a car?
Cars are like
Cars
100,
very, very
150,
expensive.
150%
And I'm jealous
Yeah,
that
that's
one
true.
car which is maybe a 50-60 lakh car in
would be a good
a
crore and a half.
crore.
Yeah, crore and a half,
crore
two
in
crores.
India.
Yeah,
so,
that's true.
If they have any way to smuggle a car.
Men and their love for cars.
Crazy, man. I thought they.
Not needy, yeah, not.
You know, I wanna talk to you before I go about a film that you know really made me very afraid, and I don't know if this had the impact.
Bangkok
but that's-
Hilton?
But हमारे लिए
Just
तो
a
गुमराह थी.
disclaimer, Gumrah was made on Bangkok Hilton.
हमारे लिए तो गुमराह थी.
Yeah.
But वो film I think set the tone
Oh,
for
that's
like.
crazy. Yeah, and how that you should pack your own bag.
Yeah,
And in Bangkok Hilton he puts drugs, he puts cocaine, and he kind of befriends her on the beach.
Yeah.
He's
exactly.
a photographer.
Yeah.
And then she goes into the Bangkok jail.
Yeah.
And the jails there are so like the
Yeah.
worst of the worst.
फट जाती है.
Yeah.
And I think Gumrah did more to prevent Indian kids from ever taking drugs than any other campaign ever did, because you were just like, no thanks, guys. But anyway, I'm so excited that we at least got time to sit and talk about your film. It's so lovely that we had this opportunity. Before we go, would you tell them to watch the show? It'll be great.
Hi
See?
guys, we're the team of Taskari and we are coming on Netflix on the 14th of Jan, so don't forget to watch us
On Netflix.
on Netflix.
Tudum.
Tudum.
So cute.